Do you want to make your Gotrax scooter faster? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll share 5 essential tips to boost your Gotrax scooter's speed, and at the end, we'll reveal a bonus tip that could make your scooter fly. So make sure you don't miss any step and watch the video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the 5 ways to make your Gotrax scooter faster. Tip 5. Adjust riding mode. Use the highest speed setting for maximum performance. Most Gotrax scooters have different speed modes. Make sure you are using the fastest one to get the best speed out of your scooter. Tip 4. Ride on smooth surfaces. Opt for smooth, level paths to reduce friction and increase speed. Avoid bumpy or rough terrains, as they can slow you down and strain the scooter's motor. Tip 3. Keep your scooter clean. Dirt and debris can slow you down, so clean it frequently. Regularly wipe down the scooter, especially around the wheels and moving parts, to ensure it runs smoothly. Check out our recommended scooter cleaning kit. It's a 10-piece kit that's perfect for keeping your scooter in top condition. Check the link in description below. Tip 2. Maintain proper tire pressure. Check your scooter tires regularly to ensure they are properly inflated. Underinflated tires create more friction and drag, reducing your scooter's speed. Use a tire pressure gauge to check and maintain the recommended pressure. We recommend the Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge for accurate readings and a built-in air compressor. You can find it from the link in description below. Tip 1. Fully charge the battery. A full charge ensures optimal performance and speed. Always charge your scooter's battery to its maximum capacity before heading out, as a low battery can significantly reduce speed. And now for the bonus tip. Remove the speed limiter. Here's how to do it. First, access the throttle assembly by opening it on the handlebar. Next, locate the speed limiter wire inside. Carefully disconnect the speed limiter wire from its connector. Finally, reassemble the throttle assembly and reattach it to the handlebar. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for our recommended products to keep your scooter performing at its best.